this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room categories and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, and here is a nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating hotels online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of the basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen details like room price, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Category 2. Of this hotel, so you can see required to visit photo ID and check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is excellent. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Three categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Reviews and offers are available online for this hotel along with various